I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. Updating billing information on Remitly is straightforward if you follow these steps. Step 1. Open the Remitly app. Launch the Remitly app on your device or visit the Remitly website. Make sure you are logged into your account. Step 2. Navigate to Account Settings. Once logged in, find the menu icon, usually located in the top left corner. Tap on it and select Account Settings from the drop-down menu. Step 3. Select Billing Information. In the Account Settings, look for the Billing Information section. Click on it to view your current billing details. Step 4. Update your information. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the ashrock.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Quick gotcha: if you're reusing a new card, ensure that the billing address matches what your bank has on file to prevent transaction failures. Step 5. Save changes. After updating your information, don't forget to save the changes. Look for the Save button at the bottom of the page and click it. Updating your billing information on Remitly can be done in just a few minutes. If you run into any issues, don't hesitate to reach out to their customer support. Happy sending!